Number 5, you're going to write the explicit formula for the sequence here. So the explicit formula, it depends on which one it is. There's both in arithmetic and geometric. So let's do A first. So let's see, is it going fast or slow? This looks like it is pretty going slow. So let's check for the common difference. The common difference here is going to be 20 minus 23. So the common difference here is -3. So it is arithmetic. Since it is arithmetic, we can write down the explicit formula. It would be an is going to be equal to the first term an plus parentheses n minus 1 times the common difference. So we have the common difference. All we need here is the first term, a1. Our a1 term is this one, which is 23. So all I have to do is write it now. An is equal to a1, which is our 23. A1 is 23 here. Plus, we want to write the common difference out in front. So it's a -3, that's the common difference, parentheses n minus 1. Okay, there we go. That's your a1 term. You just bring the common difference in front, and then parentheses n minus 1. Nothing happens to that n minus 1. Okay, all right. Let's leave some more room so we can do now B. Okay, we have 26, 35, and 44. Okay, this looks pretty fast, so we should probably check for a common ratio. Okay, or it's also, no, this is actually pretty slow. 26, 35, 44. Okay, let's check. This looks pretty slow, so we're gonna check arithmetic. Common difference is 35 minus 26. 35 minus 26, it is 9. Let me check that again. 44 minus 35. Oh, that is correct. It is, the common difference is 9. So it is arithmetic. Since it is arithmetic, we can write down that sequence. Same thing from before. an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. We have our common difference. We just need our first term. Our first term is right here. This is what our a1 is. So a1 is equal to 26. So we can just write it now. an is equal to 26 plus, we write the common difference always in front of the parentheses, 9 parentheses n minus 1, close the parentheses. That would be the explicit formula. See, 27, 9, 3. Yep, this one looks pretty fast. Okay, so let's check for the common ratio. 9 divided by 27, that looks like it is a 1/3. Let's double check it. 3 divided by 9, r is equal to 1/3. Okay, that is correct. This is the explicit formula for a geometric sequence because it is going pretty fast. An is equal to a1 parentheses r to the power of n minus 1. We just need the a1 term right here. This is a1. a1 is equal to 27. Now we just plug it in. An is equal to 27 parentheses 1/3 to the power of n minus 1. Let's do the next one. 7, 14, 21. I think 7 plus 7 plus 7. Oh, this one actually looks pretty slow. This is slow because let's check the common difference. Common difference is 14 minus 7. Common difference is 7. Common difference 21 minus 14. Common difference is 7. So this is slow. Okay, this is arithmetic. So the arithmetic formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So we just need the first term here. The first term, a1, is equal to 7. Just plug it in. An is equal to a1, which is 7, plus the common difference of 7, parentheses n minus 1. So there you go. So it looks like A, B, and D were all arithmetic, and C was the only one that was geometric for us to write the explicit formula.